Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can give your players the best experience. So, say you want the players to have the best ever time, and you want to give them the chill face, but it's too expensive for them. So what do? You go here, in Toolbox you go no, you don't do that. What you do is, so what we want to do is we want to go over here, go to size, scale it to how you want. I'm going to add a decal. We're going to go to images, chill face, copy set ID, paste it into the texture. And we got the most beautiful face in all of Roblox here. Then inside here, we're going to add a script. We go script.parent.touched connect function. Whoa, not right? Dot touched connect function. Hit. Then what we're going to go from here is we're going to go local h equals hit dot parent dot head. If h, but then h dot face dot texture ID. That's, you just make sure you spell it right. So it's just texture. Equals inside here. We're going to copy that and paste it into there. From there, we're going to hit play here. This is worse than my old computer, I swear to God. So then if we look at it, turn our face when it loads, we don't have the chill face when we touch it. Chill. Now, you see, it's not a PNG, so if you get the right face, then it'll work. So what we could do is go into here, copy this, then we can paste it into here. Then it's PNG and it's the right scale. So
just tripping on day, dreams got dirty, little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
just not responding again, isn't it? Oh, shit! Okay. So once the texture's loaded, we've got the normal smiley face. Yeah, I got the chill face, because we are so chill. So guys, if this video helped at all, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. But until then, see ya!